Screen addiction is real. Your child isn't just watching, they're being consumed by the glow. Silence shouldn't be this loud. It's time to break the cycle and reclaim their focus. Introducing LearnLite, the 8-pillar system designed to turn passive scrolling into active thinking. From complex logic puzzles to immersive stories, we build the brain one page at a time. Watch them become the hero, confident, sharp, and ready to take on the world offline. Start the digital detox today. Get the full 800-page bundle for just $13. Link in bio.